Hey there, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make an informed buying decision. Today, we have an exciting showdown between two popular robot vacuum and mop combos. In the red corner, we have the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum, and in the blue corner, we have the Robot Vacuum and Mop combo. Let's dive right in and compare these two contenders across various categories. Let's kick things off with the price. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum comes in at a hefty $1,299, while the Robot Vacuum and Mop combo offers a more budget-friendly option at $739. If you're looking for a more affordable option, the Robot Vacuum and Mop combo takes the lead in this category. Next, let's talk about suction power and cleaning performance. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra boasts an impressive 5,500 Pascal hyperforce suction, ensuring thorough cleaning of both floors and carpets. Its upgraded floating rubber brush stays close to uneven floors, leaving no dirt or dust behind. Additionally, its Carpet Boost feature allows for deeper cleaning on carpets. On the other hand, the Robot Vacuum and Mop combo offers a powerful suction motor with a roller brush, making vacuuming a breeze. It also has a 250 ml dust box for holding more garbage. In terms of suction power and cleaning performance, both products offer great features, but the Roborock S7 Max Ultra takes a slight edge with its higher suction power. Moving on to obstacle avoidance and navigation, the Roborock S7 Max Ultra comes equipped with reactive tech obstacle avoidance. It can detect and avoid objects on the floor, saving you the hassle of moving anything before starting a cleanup. It can even suggest no-go zones automatically, preventing it from getting stuck in tight spots or falling down the stairs accidentally. Meanwhile, the Robot Vacuum and Mop combo doesn't offer specific obstacle avoidance features. In terms of obstacle avoidance and navigation, the Roborock S7 Max Ultra clearly takes the lead. Now let's talk about mopping capability. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra features the Roborock mopping system, which removes dried stains 30% more effectively than traditional robot mops. With sonic scrubbing at 3,000 times per minute and consistently high downward pressure, it leaves less dirt behind than spinning mops. Additionally, it has an auto mop lifting feature that allows it to vacuum carpets and mop floors simultaneously by automatically lifting and lowering the mop as needed. On the other hand, the Robot Vacuum and Mop combo offers a 3-in-1 functionality of vacuuming, mopping, and sweeping. It has a 200 ml water tank with 2-speed water outlet modes, suitable for all hard floors. Both products offer impressive mopping capabilities, but the Roborock S7 Max Ultra's Roborock mopping system gives it an edge in this category. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra shines in terms of its suction power, obstacle avoidance, and advanced mopping capabilities. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and budget. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum and the Robot Vacuum and Mop combo across various categories. While the Robot Vacuum and Mop combo offers a more budget-friendly option, the Roborock S7 Max Ultra shines in terms of its suction power, obstacle avoidance, and advanced mopping capabilities. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and budget. We hope this comparison has helped you in making a smarter buying decision. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Let us know in the comments which products you'd like us to compare next. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.